So today we're gonna be taking off the paint off of these 4 wheels, and these are my recommendations. I'd rather go with the respiratory mask, but this is all I found right now. And then you got these goggles, safety for your eyes just in case something goes wrong. And then these are chemical resistant gloves. They're actually really good for anything. And these are, this is my mixing cup. It's about 1 quart. And get this one because if you use something plastic other than like hard material like this will actually deteriorate the cup or whatever you're mixing. And then just get a brush. If you're not getting the spray one, you have the gallon. You know, shout out to Walmart, $10 for this $20 one, just because it's all messed up. And then okay. So back up, camera lady. You don't have no.
Ask yourself, how do I work this? And you may ask yourself, where is that large automobile? And you may tell yourself, this is not my beautiful house. And you may tell yourself, this is not.
So the reason why I choose a respiratory mask is because you can still smell the chemicals through this mask, and also the glasses won't get fogged up like this right here. You gotta gear up too. You gotta back up. Yeah. We need to be in the ventilated area. Got a little bit of sun here. It was raining earlier today, so hopefully that sun kicks in, because it can't be too cold either, because if it's too cold the chemicals will not do its job for some reason. I don't know, it says something in the back of that label, but that's what we got working with. Alright, finally found my respiratory mask, so I won't be inhaling all those bad chemicals. And this is what we got going. You use these 2 scrapers to scrape off any residue off these, and after you do that you might want to give them a power wash, a quick one. And I mean, you could dry them yourselves, or you could just let them dry themselves and then reapply. That's my method going. If there's another better method, I'd like for anyone else to tell me. I like good feedback. I want to know how to do this the other people's way, not just my way. We're going to be cleaning the inside of the wheel wells with degreaser. I'm going to use engine degreaser because these look really dirty. And I spray it on there, let it sit for about a minute. I get a Scotch-Brite, or you can use a steel wool. It's up to you. This is all I have, so you know, you just gotta use with what you got. But you know, once you start rubbing in there, you can see that it will get better. You know, I like to do sway motions and stuff, but I don't want to splatter on my camera lady. So, but this is the aftermath. You know, just one good clean wash and you get a nice good view inside. If you would like to see more of these videos, comment, like, and subscribe. And definitely we'll be posting the second video for the final finale, which would be the refinish. And you know, we'll get more to the sanding, primering, and painting probably in the second video. So thumbs up.